Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. Alright guys, before we get to today's video, it's something I really want to squeeze past y'all. I was in the gym the other day. You know your boy Jones be lifting weights. And I gotta say this, okay? Rejuvenator has advanced deodorizer, okay? Advanced deodorizer. So for all y'all who be out here with the stanky feet in the gym, taking your shoes off, and it smell like God knows what, this is for you, okay? Use the Rejuvenated deodorizer. It works great. Open up your shoe, splack out, 2 in each shoe. Some of y'all need 3 or 4. Anyways, this will be linked down below in my description. Use the promo code SNIPER. You'll get 10% off. Listen, I get it. You're working out hard. You're sweating. Just do something about it. Use the deodorizer. Just use it. Today, bro, I'm coming to y'all with a banger, a Jordan 1 that I honestly did not want. Now, everybody know that I wanted the DB foams, all right? I at least made 3 videos about the DB foams. Yes, man, I wanted the DB foams, but I struck out, and I'm still mad about that. So Nike, if you see this and y'all get Constellation prizes, hit up your boy Jones. But anyway, man, the DB6s came out too, and just like 98% of the dang world, I struck out on those too. So, man, I was feeling very, very unlucky on Sneakers app. I've never hit anything on Sneakers app, so I mean, it kind of basically tells you my luck on there. Now, not to be completely disregarding Sneakers app, I do hit on like a lot of general releases, but when it comes to anything worth having, I never have a chance. So to my surprise, it's early in the morning, you know what I'm saying? I wake up and I go for the DB6s and I don't hit, bro. So we all know that the drawing for just about everything usually starts at 10 a.m. This time it was a Saturday, I believe. Yeah, it was a Saturday, and I didn't hit for the DBs. You know what I'm saying? Like expected. And it's now like 10:15, okay? It's 15 minutes past 10. And I go look, and I see this Jordan 1, and I'm like, why not go for it? You know I'm not going to win on 15 minutes past 10 o'clock. They probably already sold out. It's probably a glitch. It's probably not even showing. I really don't want these. I'm going to just try my luck, and yeah, I actually want them. Which really kind of makes me even madder because the shoe that I never want, the shoe that I don't want at all, I actually win. Yes. Yeah, you hearing right. I'm mad. I won. I don't want these shoes. Don't get me wrong. I like Jordan 1s. I don't think that this Jordan 1 is bad, but it's like, bro, I didn't really want these. And I know y'all probably like, why are you complaining that you want a pair of shoes? It ain't about that, brother. Listen, why am I not winning the shoes I actually want? You know what I'm saying? I know beggars can't be choosers in some sorts, but I really did not want these shoes. Don't get me wrong, I'm happy I got them, but I did not want these shoes. Nike, if you're listening, and look, sneakers, I stood outside in your line when you came here to Atlanta for like 10 hours, bro. 10 of them things. And that's on dog. I can't make it up. I cannot make this up. I stood outside. I spent money. You know, I supported. Now, support your boy Jones. Me help you. Help me get a pair of sneakers I can bring back to the channel, put behind me, and actually, you know what I'm saying, shout out the Sneakers app. I want to hit for something. But nevertheless, man, we do have an unboxing today. For you guys who are new to my channel, I'm Sniper Jones, man. I drop videos just about every day. Every single day, I'm dropping bangers for your head top, man. So if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. I didn't stutter. 100,000 subscribers, which is a lot, but we can actually do that if you hit that subscribe button. Also, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both of those will be linked down below in the description of the video, and it's probably running through your screen right about now. So go over there and give me a follow. And without further ado, let's get into this unboxing because I don't know what these look like. I've seen them on IG a lot, actually, and I want to get to it. So let's get to it. Man, I don't know what it is about these boxes, bro. I've made my case. I know Mike Rich has made his case. Y'all know your boy Jones. I got snatched already. A pair of my sneakers already got finessed from my front porch. And there was those, what were those? What were those shoes that got finessed from me? Oh, man. It were the Element Reacts. I got the Element Reacts stolen from me at my front door, man. So I'm still in my feelings about that. That's why I still don't like this swoosh branding with the Just Do It tape on the Nike boxes, because that's just a lick waiting to happen, to be completely honest. But this box is kind of skinny, man. I don't know if it's because it's a Jordan 1, Or if they got the wrong size. Nike have been giving dudes the wrong size lately. That's on dog. Let me check this package. Bring out my special blade. I still think I got the best blade on YouTube, man. Shout out to my guy for giving me this blade, man. This is super dope. You see the sniper bullet with the sharp blade on the ends. Let's open this up, man. See what we got going on. You know what I'm saying? I ain't said that in a while, actually. I remember I used to say that every video. I don't even say that no more. So if you know what's going on, that must mean you're a real sub, because I haven't said that in my videos in a while. You know what I'm saying? But it's opened up. Let's see what we got. First thing we got is the receipt, obviously. What size? They say size 12, so they got the size right. You know what I'm saying? But let's see what's in the box. Here we have the box, but you know we got to do it the same dramatic way we did the first box. So without further ado, here we have it, man. The Nike box, size 12 on the side. Can you please zoom in, camera? Thank you, I appreciate that. Now, this sneaker here is very, I would say, luxury. It's a luxury sneaker, you know what I'm saying? It's something that you would step listening to R. Kelly to. I didn't mean that, so I'm gonna edit R. Kelly out. I'm gonna just edit that out. Anyways, guys, this is something that you will wear to a family reunion, you know what I'm saying? Something like that. Something very luxury, something plush, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have elegance with these. And to peel them back, man, hey, look, we gonna check these out together. Like I said, I didn't want them, but I'm happy I got them. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. Oh, heck no! Bruh! Bruh! Are you serious? This is it? Oh, okay. Okay. Jordan got games. Jordan Brand got games. Okay. That's... Bruh! This shoe is ass. Oh my God. Are you serious? Okay, now listen. I know I was excited earlier in the video, but obviously it was before I got these in hand. Now, the leather is not plush, actually, at all. It feel like your grandfather's belt, okay? You know what I'm saying? It's very stiff. Guys, I don't know what to say. Okay, guys, okay, now honestly, man, this sneaker is definitely not my forte. I have a lot of Jordan 1s behind me. A lot of Jordan 1s I haven't even worn yet. This Jordan 1 will not. I repeat, it will not get worn. It's very stiff. The colorway is decent. I like the sail bottom. I like the red stripe. It's decent. The black, but it's not it for me, man. It's not it for me. Now, I've seen a lot of these on Instagram. I've seen a lot of people had them early. How? I don't know. I remember when early pairs were hard to come by. Now just about everybody get everything early. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. What I do know is I got mine on time from Nike. Sneakers just dropped it off today. Actually, like 15 minutes ago, something like that. And, bro, I'm not going to hold you, bro. These just not it for me. You know what I'm saying? They're just not it for me, personally. I can say that. I will be selling these. Yeah, I would definitely be selling these, man. So do not look for these to be in my sneaker collection video anytime soon, or a kick story, because they're not gonna be here too long. Okay. What I can say about them, I guess, is they're different. Yeah, they real different. Like I say, the sail bottom. This, guys, I'm struggling here. Okay, I don't even know what. Let me grab the other bag, man. So the other one is here. Do they even come with spare laces? Cause I don't see no lace bags hanging off my. They don't even come with spare laces, bro. So that's a first. That's great, unless they tucked inside the shoe somewhere, which I don't think they are. The Jordan Couture ones, okay? The Jordan 1 Couture. Is this sneaker a hit? Is this sneaker a miss? In my opinion, this is an absolute miss, guys. I do not like this sneaker that much whatsoever. The only thing it does have going for it, like I said, the colorway is not that bad. I like sail bottoms. I think sail bottoms are dope on sneakers just because of the simple fact they don't get dirty as easily as they would if it was just a regular white midsole and a regular white bottom. So this definitely gives it a pop, and it kind of offsets the black and the red just a little bit, but this ain't it for me, man. Black laces, I'm sorry, this is definitely not it for me. But yeah, man, I just don't think that it's for me. Did any of you guys hit? Did any of you guys go for it? If so, let me know down below in the comment section, because like I said for the 100th time, this ain't it, chief. It just ain't it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We still grinding, trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. Also, guys, hit the thumbs up button. It really helps, man. It really helps the videos be pushed, and continue to support, man. Continue to go below in the comment section. Make sure you follow me on IG. As always, you know I can't leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in this work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.